Shlamlokhon, my Assyrian Dishes friends, بين barkhan reshat arouraya koolokhon. To celebrate Kha B Nissan, we are launching our new Assyrian Dishes kitchen products. We have the Assyrian Dishes Apron, which I wear, has the adjustable strap and 2 pockets. We have the 16-ounce tumbler, a large bamboo cutting board with a lasered imprint of Assyrian Dishes, and we will have many more products to come. You can buy all this in a bundle or separately. Gift it to your loved ones for birthdays, kitchen tea parties, housewarming, anniversaries, wedding gifts, Mother's Day, Father's Day, or for yourself. Check out our Assyrian Dishes Facebook and Instagram pages, direct message us for more details, or email us at assyriandishes@gmail.com. Happy Assyrian New Year, everyone!